what's up guys? So after raising the ethanol content in this car, getting all the 93 out of the system and putting more E85 in and getting it up, the car's making the full power to the wheels, and now it's spinning first, second, and third. So even though I love street tires because I hate getting stuck in the rain here in Florida, since I don't drive this car a whole lot, I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and put some drag radials on it. So I went ahead and ordered the R888s, and they should be here any minute. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up and put it up on jack stands. This way as I can go take the wheels when the tires get here and have the new tires mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. These are the Nitto, I believe the G2s. They're good, just regular tire, but as far as traction, they're not the best. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep them just in case I feel like going back to the street tire at some point. And they've only got like 1,000 miles or 1,500 miles on them. These tires are great as far as tread depth. No complaints really with them other than the traction issue, which is to be expected with street tires. There we have it, both of them off. Gonna go ahead and load them up in the 4Runner. Gonna go ahead and do a video on my daily driver one of these days. It's a 2004 Toyota 4Runner with almost 300,000 miles. I might do the video when it hits 300,000, but good little daily driver. I've towed a lot of Supras with this car out of state. All right, now we just gotta hurry up and wait for the tires to show up. Sweet, wheels just showed up. Look really good. Can't wait to put them on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and load these up in the 4Runner. Go head over and get them mounted. They look really good though. From what I've researched online, people seem to get really good traction with these. So we'll give it a shot. Just got back from the shop getting these mounted. RI Automotive in Tampa mounted them. They did a great job. The people there are super friendly, super nice. I appreciate the work they did. Definitely be using them again in the future. But man, these look great, huh? Can't wait to see how they do on the street. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the car real quick. now that the wheels are on, I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a drive. See how well they grip. Pretty excited to see how they do.